This is how you can build yourself up after getting hurt. Hi, beautiful soul. I'm Bithika. Welcome to my channel, Divine Healing. If you have faced any hurt in the past and you are unable to pull yourself up, this video might help you. So, watch this video till the end. Now, if you are hurt at some point, remember the 7 points that I will discuss in this video. Let's start with number 1. Most of the time, when you are hurt, you will try to avoid it. Hold a space for this pain. Don't try to avoid it. When you avoid, you sabotage it and push it back inside. When you keep a space for this pain, you will be able to process this emotion. You will keep it in the surface by giving it a space. So don't avoid it, don't sabotage it, don't push it inside. Let it be on the surface, give it a space and work on that space. Number 2, when you get hurt, you eventually want others to validate that pain. You want others to tell you that, yes, it was so painful, it was so wrong. Don't wait for others. Don't wait for others to give you the validations. If you know it's painful, it is. The more you will give the space to others to discuss about it, the more it will haunt you. Rather, find solution. If you really want to share it with someone, share it like you want to find a solution to it. How to get away from it. Not to get the validations of how painful it was. Because eventually, more validations means more feathers to the pain. More pain above pain. Number 3. If you have been into any kind of hurtful situation, it is that you will always be covered with those emotions. You will always feel like you want to think about it, you want to nurture it, you want to find a solution to it. See, life has many aspects, many perspectives, many fields. If you only think that this is the end of the world, this is where I only need to give all my energies, your other aspects of life will fall apart. And you will not be able to handle it. You will eventually come out of this pain. You will eventually know that why it happened. You will heal also. But the time you are investing on this, you're investing your 24 hours in this pain, and you are just keeping all your other aspect falling apart. You will see other aspect will fall apart. And together you will not be able to handle it. So fix a time for your sorrow. Fix a time to feel sorrow about it, process it. Because when we get hurt, if we don't feel it, if we don't let it understand, we don't understand about it, we sabotage it. So fix a time, but don't make it your 24 hours activity in your mind. Rather, you can also involve yourself in hobbies. Life is not ending with just one hurt or pain. There are so many aspects of life. There are so many things that you can do. Engage yourself in hobbies. Engage yourself in things you have not done for so long. Maybe something that you have stopped doing in your childhood. Painting, art, craft, singing, music, instrument. It can be anything. Put yourself in those activities and you will eventually see you're transforming your hurt energy into something creative. Number 4. Don't spend too much time in isolation. It's okay. You want to spend time by yourself. But don't isolate yourself completely. Reach out to people who can help you. Reach out to people, professional people who can help you. Because it's like a disease. You have fallen sick. You are having fever. Will you just stay back at home and feel like, oh, I'm having fever? No, you'll go to doctor, right? Similarly, people don't take mental health issues seriously. They'll be like, yeah, it's there in the mind. I'll get over it. Eventually, they will not get over it. They will push it back inside. They will sabotage it, suffocate it inside. And then somehow this will turn to trauma inside. And it will come out at some point. Then they will realize, oh, I have this stuffed trauma in me. So if it is in the surface, if you are processing the feeling, if you're feeling hurt, don't stay in isolation for too much time. Reach out to professional help, you can take my help also. You can get the details in the description. Do check it out. So yes, don't spend too much time in isolation. This can make things more worse. Number 5. When you are in a hurtful situation, there's a high probability that you will indulge yourself in self blame and self hurting. When you will not find out the solution to certain problems, why it occurred with you, most people will start self blaming themselves in that scenario. This was my fault, that was my fault, I should have done this way or that way. That is when you fall in the loop of self hurt and self blame. Others hurting us, at some point we will forgive them, we will get past. But when you will start blaming yourself, start self-harming yourself, this is something, it's very difficult to get off. So in this situation, there's a high probability you will start doing it. You'll start finding out your own faults. In that case, if you really want to find out your faults, then find it out and take action and make a promise to yourself that I will not do it again. But don't stay in that loop of self-hurt and self-blame, because that is adding another feather in your mental health condition, and which will make things more worse. Number 6. If somebody hurted you badly, always remember, it is their inability to see the light in you, the best in you. It was their inability to treat you with respect, and hence they inflicted pain in you. You deserve better. Because you deserve better, that's why you face the hurt. Because if they wouldn't have hurt you, you wouldn't reach to where you are supposed to reach. You will not meet with those people who are supposed to treat you better. So everything is a blessings in disguise, If you are stuck with the one person who never respected you, who always hurted you, and you are still stuck with that person, you will never reach to those people who you deserve to be with, who will treat you good, treat you better. So this hurt was supposed to shift you from those situations and throw you to those situations which you actually deserve. Now, lastly, number 7, but before that, I would request, if this video is giving you any value, to subscribe this channel, like this video, leave a comment below, and share this with someone who you think need this guidance. And subscribe, because I post videos every Monday to Friday. Some of the other content will surely help you in having different perspective about situations of life. When somebody give you different perspective about different problems of life, it is easier to solve those issues. And this channel is all about that. So do subscribe. Now, last but not least, number 7. Take the lesson, move forward, and don't stay stuck. This hurt was a lesson. This lifetime you're supposed to learn. If life would have been picture perfect, we can never learn what we are supposed to learn. We will never grow if we are not inflicted with pain. We will never understand the broader aspect of life if we do not go through pain and sufferings. Pain and sufferings will always open up our consciousness. So don't get stuck. Why this happened with me? Why I am in this situation? Because if you are stuck, your life is actually telling you to move forward, but you are keeping yourself stuck, and that is not serving you in any way. You have not learned the lesson you are supposed to learn. People who stay stuck in their past hurt never learned their lessons. We come on earth to learn our lessons. Pain and hurt and sufferings are our lessons, which we are supposed to learn. Learn it, grow from it, be a better version of it. And always remember, every pain and suffering is throwing you towards what you really, really, really deserve in life. That was today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will help you. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.